How long was the short-lived Blue Big Eagle around on WWF television? So the belt debuted the night after WrestleMania 14. Vince actually had it and gave it to Steve Austin. So the belt was used from March until July before being replaced by Stone Cold using the smoking skull down there. And they switched over to this design with the scratch logo in gold instead of white. But the belt actually only ever had two holders. It had Stone Cold and then Kane. Kane won it in the Hell in the Cell, or not the Hell in the Cell, the first blood match. And then Stone Cold. But this belt actually did appear once again, I believe, on one episode of SmackDown. It may even have been the first, where they actually gave the belt to Arnold Schwarzenegger, who I think actually, he might not have it anymore, but they actually gave away the real belt to Arnold Schwarzenegger, which is kind of crazy. You'd think WWE was so much more lenient with belts back in the day than they are now. Nowadays, they would have given him a replica, but they gave him the actual real belt, which is crazy. But yeah, I wish this belt was around for a little bit longer because the blue strap is super cool.